Okay, so we're coming back and doing these problems. These are some of the problems on your guys' homework. The first one being number 5. I'll just do 2 of them. I think that's going to be enough for you guys. This is going to be 2 minus 8 divided by, and then it has parentheses 4, parentheses, negative 2, parentheses. So you guys are given something like that. Don't let this confuse you over the parentheses, okay? What you guys want to be able to see here is just doing the following. I want to be able to separate my bigger outer parentheses with my inner ones. So what does it tell me to do with inside the orange? Multiply, okay? It should be very straightforward. So negative 4 times, or 4 times negative 2? Negative 8. I'm going to drop down those other parentheses and bring down everything else. 2 minus 8 divided by negative 8. So what do I do now? Right, multiplication or division. So we're going to go and divide 8 divided by negative 8, which is going to give me negative 1. 2 minus negative 1. Then we're going to keep, flip, change. 2 plus 1, 3. So don't let those parentheses, I gave you guys brackets, different types of brackets to separate the meaning. In this case, they're not giving you that luxury. So I would suggest you guys highlight them, the pairs, working inside to out. Let's do another one. Let's look at, which one? 16 or 15? 16? Okay. I'm going to clear it. Okay, here we go. 16 or 15, sorry. What do you want? 16. 15? 16? I'm waiting until someone tells me something. 16, okay. So give me a second as I write this whole thing out. 8 plus 2 squared minus negative 4 minus 1, 2.
A negative number has exponent. Is it multiplying by negative exponent?
No. It's just multiplying by the number itself and then pull that as a subtraction sign. Oh, so and like that, if it's encompassed like that, it's negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Yeah. If it's outside the parentheses, then it's just 1 times 1 times. Yeah. Okay. Here's our big one. Here's 16. Big honcho over here. Okay. The way that I'm going to look at this is the following. I see it as a teacher a little bit differently than you guys, but I'm looking at, I have one group of parentheses here that kind of look like that. That gives me 2 numbers multiplied together. And then if I were to look at the other pair, I'm going to do it in yellow. I'm also given another pair right here. Does that make sense? Okay. And everything else will fall into place as we do it. So parentheses first, I have to work with my parentheses, whatever parentheses comes out. So I'm going to do 7 times negative 9, which is negative 63. I'm going to keep it in that bracket like that. And then my negative 5 minus negative 4, which is what? Keep, flip, change. Negative 1. It's okay. It's okay. We're still working on these. 8 plus 2 squared minus negative 4 minus right here. Okay, now this should be broken down into something we're able to do. Parentheses are still good. We're okay there. What about exponents? Do we? What is it? So we have 2 squared, so it's going to be 4. So 8 plus 4 minus negative 4. Okay, minus negative 63 times negative 1. Okay, we're going to work at this again. Parentheses, we have parentheses, we're okay with that. There are no parentheses or each individual number, so I'm okay. Exponents, we don't have any exponents. So what about multiplication? Multiplication definitely comes in a pair. Which pair? 63 and negative 1. Which gives me what? Positive 63. Can you guys see that? Is that okay? Okay. So we're going to get 8 plus 4 minus negative 4 and then minus a positive 63. We'll leave it like that. Okay, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide. Then what do we have to do? Add and subtract, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do just working from left to right. 8 plus 4 is what? So I'm going to get 12, bringing everything else down, minus negative 4, minus 63. Then do what? 12 and 4. Keep, flip, change. 12 plus 4. 16 minus 63. What do we got? Negative 79? No, it should be less than that. Negative 47. How many people got that?
I didn't get there yet. I'm on 14.
Miss Reyes, am I right on that? Is it good? Oh, man. Even I surprise myself sometimes. Okay? Us. Go ahead. No, go ahead. We subtract 16 minus 63. So in this case, if I had to write it out, it'd be 16 minus 63. Right? So subtract them, 47, and then we're going to keep that negative.